Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your virtual machines with VMware, detailed guide step by step clearly. To protect your virtual machines with VMware, start by logging into your VMware vSphere client. Navigate to the Virtual Machines section in the Inventory pane. Select the virtual machine you want to protect. Right-click on the selected virtual machine and choose Snapshot from the context menu. Click on Take Snapshot. In the dialog box, provide a descriptive name for the snapshot. Add an optional description to explain the purpose of the snapshot. Click OK to create the snapshot. Next, implement regular snapshot schedules for ongoing protection. Go to the VM menu and select Policies followed by Edit Policies. Set a schedule for automatic snapshots as per your organization. To enhance protection, enable VMware's High Availability feature. Access the cluster settings in vSphere. Select the cluster where your virtual machine resides and click on Configure. Toggle the vSphere HA option to Enabled. Next, ensure the network configuration is secure. Under the Networking tab, configure the distributed virtual switch settings. Limit access to virtual machines by setting up firewall rules. Use VMware tools to ensure efficient device management and performance. Install or update VMware tools on your virtual machines regularly. This updates drivers and enhances performance and security. Consider implementing VMware's Distributed Resource Scheduler, or DRS, for load balancing. Navigate to your cluster's settings and enable DRS. Monitor resource allocation to ensure optimal performance. Finally, conduct regular backups of your virtual machines. Use VMware vSphere Data Protection or a third-party backup solution. Schedule backups during off-peak hours to minimize impact on performance. Always test your backup restore process to ensure data integrity. Following these steps will significantly enhance the protection of your VMware virtual machines. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.